So how was it?
Your pussy bad like Hitler. Love boy, you put it on me dick top. Hold tight but no matter how me dick tall. Me should beat up and make your ball like kickball. Me no want take it out until it keep on. Some girl all bigger than Big Bang. You all wetter than a category 6 storm. Room cold but your pussy make me keep warm. Just clean like you washed with pine saw. Every day me call on your phone, cause me know the other man, them a pre-fee. Take it from me, all let me happy share. Me we sign up on the team, body cock up in a your cavity. Me no mind catch sitting if you a shotty. Make your pussy make nice when me a slap it. Tell your pussy when I pull out, me a breed that. No plan B, you a go keep that. You can put in a your group chat. Put that in a your group chat. Who is it?
Hey man, it's your neighbor from across the street, the one you met on July 2nd. They delivered your mail to my house by mistake.
What's up, man?
Hey.
Alright. Yeah. Who is it?
Ami!
Who?
Ami, man!
Who's me?
Son of us you!
No, I mean, who is you?
Me! I soon dead, brother, but fuck that.
How different cultures say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hola. Hello.
你好.
Hello. You get fat.
Man them, tell me if I lie me I tell. You cannot convince a woman say her pum pum is not the best pum pum in the world.
Them delusional!
It don't matter how wet, or dry, or tight, or wide.
Why the fuck?
Them have the best pum pum out of every girl where I walk on this earth here. So I'm going to bam now, I'm a buck one girl and she tell me straight up, say, yo, you know I say my pum pum I got change your life.
Liar!
People, the only thing it changed on my bed sheet.
It
never good.
Killer bumbo
It never good, none at all. It did alright-ish. And you know them love brag. So the next day, me and her apart with her friend them. And she have brag about her hole. You understand? And she say, yo, you know, say any boy when me ever give me pum pum, them get crazy over me. And she put her hand on my shoulder and say, Gyalis, tell them now. Tell them how it's crazy. I'm not lying now. But I don't want to embarrass the girl. She say, yo, tell them how my pum pum bad. I'm just lean into her ears and whisper to her and say, yo,
say you're bad from which part?
all life in the pum pum. All of the man when you're not in a life sing.
Da 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 da. Say you're bad from which part? Tell a pussy we no gun dip dog. Like Chinese war so the clip tag. Show it up and make you fall from your discharge. You know one on a discharge, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if you never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bam like Islam. And if you make
And up in every fetch, it could be hot sun or stormies.
I remember everybody after this we are going straight to Hookah Thursday. Spinal, big up yourself. Remember to the new venue there in Miramar, you know, which part Woman Crush Wednesday used to keep. So that's how we are going after this. Any man when I suck pum pum suck good. As I said, people, tonight is all about Hookah Thursday. You know, it's the admission free, party in a Miramar, so make sure you forward after this. And remember, ladies, if the man not pay your rent, breed for your uncle. Ladies, grab the ugliest man you see and give him a wine. Come now, move your blood clot, or suck your mother.
Well, suck me like a big thumb. That is an awesome shirt, my guy.
Oh, thanks, man.
And that's the song Girls Them Sugar from the guy Bernie Man, right?
Yeah, that's him.
Yes, I knew it. That's my favorite song. You Jamaicans are so cool. You're the sugar and I'm more like the girls than preservatives. But I don't want to hold you up. I know you have to go home and pack a barrel to send to St. Anne's, so sorry to bother you. Alright. Hey, Mad Max.
Yo, you gotta watch this. It's hilarious. Alright, what is this? Just watch. Are you friend them? Nah, I don't know them. Just watch. So why them are wear them pants under them bottom? So yeah, I don't know. Just watch. Them a fish. And if you and them a friend, then you're a fish too. So how that? Why them a smoke weed? That I don't know. Is that what you do with your friends? You smoke weed with them? No. Come me tell you this. If I find out say you smoke weed, you can make your lips turn black and look like your armpit if you want to, but not in my yard. You understand what I say? Cause I now raise no crackhead. You understand? So if you want to sniff crack, you have to go do it elsewhere. Not in this house. Cause I never send you go to school if you turn drug dealer. We don't know Mali and Pali and Bali and all them fuckery thing there. You know see your cousin turn liar. Now listen to me, you bitch. Don't call my phone when your teeth drop out and you out there so suck front for money. Okay? Cause me not gonna answer, me not deal with them.
You look good like cooked food and rice and beans. You look good like cooked food.
Your mom's a whore.
You look good. Like cooked food and rice and peas. Rice and peas. You look good cooked food, rice and peas. Rice and peas.
I bet you do love rice and peas.
Good cooked food, rice
Bowas!
and peas. Rice and peas. Rice and peas, rice and peas, you look good cooked food, rice and peas, rice and peas.
That's why you suck front. Batty man. Excuse me. Are you talking to me?
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, man. Go beg your mother, pussy. Go suck your mother too.
Yeah, man, so.
Yo, I like that hat. And it matches your shirt too.
Oh, yeah, Gyalis department, you know? On a Gyalis, you know?
What does that mean again? I forgot what
But
does
mean
that
that we
mean?
love woman, you know what I'm saying? We don't forget girl, we love keep girl around we and those things, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, every man want to be a Gyalis, but not everybody can be, you know?
Alright, yo, you can show me how to get girls? Like how Jamaicans do it?
Yeah, I got you. Just, hey, take notes. Alright, so, you see this girl right here?
Yeah,
Watch out. Mama! May I help you? Come here then. Yo, you know what I say? Mama put my beef patty in your cocoa bread.
Oh my god, I'm wet.
And breed you. Make you push out some baby crust.
That was so romantic.
Eh?
Spit in my mouth.
Two.
I'm gonna keep this. I'll never swallow it. Yo, that's crazy.
You know what thing go ahead.
Hey, you did that,
So,
man.
Just do that. Tell her what. Same thing I'm gonna tell you. What? That one.
Hey, excuse me, mom.
I beg your pardon?
Is it okay if we have like intercourse? And I Yo, she shot me, bro.
Yeah, I see.
Bro, I said exactly what you said though.
Yeah. Hush.
That's crazy, bro.
Flexion thing, big muscle is a flexion thing. She love all of the sex I bring. I bring.
Yo, brother. Yo.
If it's a
What's up? Me have weed for sale in a dog. You smoke weed? Oh, nah, I'm good. Yeah, Jamaican? Yeah. A lie. Which part? St. James. What? A lie. Which part? Mount Salem. What you say? A lie. Which part? Francis Abella Road. What? A lie. Which house? The blue one? No, sir. A lie. The one where the two house up front of the shop? Yeah. Jeremy? Dad? Hey, that was a good move. I told you, man, I'm the king of this game. Hey, I can't argue with you. You are the best. Yo, if me get a 6, everything dead, you know? Yeah, you're not gonna get a 6. What I say? Hey, good shit. Move your blood clot and go suck out your girl nasty sour pussy. Cause you got dead too. Fish. Me a murder every last one of a bumbo clot in this blood clot. Nastiness. Me a go burn down your yard too. All the dog I got dead too. Watch this. Who that? Who this? Yeah, that's my player. Take it up, batty boy. That dead like your mother front.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, excuse me. I wanted to know if you guys have almond milk. Bombonade, brother. Oh, what you say? You want almond milk? Yeah, you guys have almond milk? No, sir. Joke this too. Yo, Mark. Yo. Hear what the boy just say a while ago. What one? Man say him want almond milk to bumbo clock. Hey, man. Clam. Mer. Man. If you drink almond, then you a sal. Man, escovitch, satellite fish, peanut butter and jelly. Fish, boy you fit happy, you a shrimp patty. Why you choose almond over all catty? How this? Catfish, if it come out of the store, next door, seahorse. Miami Aquarium, we no pescatarian. Yo, Free Willy, why you want milk from every man? Scale them pan every hand. Dolphin them get it from all underwater. You can't hide from this your song. Boy, you coulda be a megalodon. From you make the talk, you a go get radam. Throw that, blue crab, oh that, yo that. Yo, you feel now, boy, you go drown. Kingfish, but you not no crown. Shark tail, don't come back. Ya will come back. Yo, Skeng, I want a real Jamaican rock star for real in my youth. The man energy just unmatched. You see me I say? Watch how the man a step forward. Watch a boof. Boof. Anything under that dead in a brother. But under that, I come here to talk about my youth. You see the drinks now in my hand. He man dash way whole I lick in a crowd. Watch ya. I said to myself, if you never want to drink, brother, why you carry it on stage? But under that, yes, I watch her. Hey man just fling it up in a crowd to bumbo clot. Everybody in the front row sticky and full of liquor to bumbo clot. Watch her. Man say, yo, me there, dead fuck. Man entertaining and unpredictable. Watch her. Look how him just delete himself off his stage. Watch her. That was the end of the performance. Them never find Skeng back after him do that. He gone. Everybody I look for him now. Watch her. He disappear. But I had an idea my youth, the man performance win. The man did well high. I'm not talk jugs, you know. And this me I talk about right now. Watch her. Hey. The man. Hey, man, be like him, I grow up, my yo. The man full of energy, you fuck, man. Jesus. On the next episode of Skeng, energy just unmatched. I don't know if you remember the last one when he making cut piss on people, but see it, yeah? When him go to Obama and say, take that. You see me I say? It's like him say, yo, me never give you permission if you record me. So watch her now. Censor your blood clot. What you say your video? And when he fling the cup to the left side and then watch her, the man nearly drop and slip gone in the bathroom to blood now. But the people them him wet up at the first show, it's like them save the liquor and come at the show. You can watch her as them step out, them say, hey boy, take back this guy. It's like the crowd say, yo, you have to go sticky, brother. You're sticky with, so we are sticky, yo. Man, full of water in a yai to it a burn, the man say, John, no. But you have to rate him, because although in yai full of Casamigos, the man said the show must go on. And me I tell you people, me convinced to the stage a trampoline, you know. And a regular stage, them give me, you know. Because watch her. Because man just in her ear, I look like one phone app. And I swear say a generator in the backpack, they plug up to it, you know, my you. But watch his signature. But hey, if anything, I'm going to broke in shoulder, you know. Hey, that broke, you know. This broke.
Alright people, as me say, the promoter give you more time, you understand? So just go and go to the bar and buy some liquor. Yo, Gyalis in Paris, big up yourself, brother. Yo, me I gonna need one of them shirt there, you know, brother, the shirt. But as me say, people, we get more time. So you see right now, Gyalis, how are we a tell them say? Boop inna them head. Boop, 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 boop inna them head. Watch on, man. Anybody who park on the left side of the street, please move your vehicle, them a tow car over this up. But on the next note, the promoter give you 2 more hours. So you know say I'm mad something, yes, so we are starting. Alright, people, I have good news and I have bad news. The bad news, you have to buy more liquor. The good news, the reason you have to buy more liquor is because the promoter said we are going till 8 o'clock in the morning.
Wanna get me hot this year? Where them a go do if you hold me? What do you mean?
Yeah, me I said people, the promoter said we are going till Tuesday. Alright, anybody who want to sign lease? Wanna come my DJ booth, cause guess what? The DJ said we're not done until the 1st of next month.
Dark and timid, Eastside billing, cold hard killing, gunshot drilling, blood starts spilling.
They're crazy.
Yeah, man, but me always tell people in the dog and nobody don't want to listen to me. Hold on, there, who this? Yo, 3:30.
Oh, yeah, say Gyalis.
Oh, yeah, say you're good.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, you call her that because she know how to do the dance?
No, man, that I dance, man. 6:30 you talk about. No, we call her 3:30 because you see how she have scoliosis, see how she have walk like this. And when you look on the clock at 3:30, so that's why we call her 3:30.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Watch out, boy. Yo, Nyam front.
Oh, that Paris. Yo.
Yeah, I did.
What the man am I going with?
I hold it, you know.
One to do.
Ah.
Okay, so he eat pum pum. I'm for sure.
No, man, on Nyam front, man. I throw him on a table in your house. So I'm eating in the front of your house every day. So when you look up on the house now, him and Nyam in the front. It's me, I said, so we just call him Nyam front because he don't eat inside. Watch out, girl, watch out. Good, man.
Oh, that Gyalis in Paris.
Long time I not see you now, you good?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Oh, so she's like an actual gunman? Like she be killing people?
Not with gun. With STD. She shot everybody in her scheme.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, man, she a gunman, you fuck.
I cannot get rid of him. When him call my phone, I don't answer. When he texts me, I don't reply. When he sees me in public, I ignore him. It's getting sickening. I'm gonna get a restraining order against him because at this point it's getting kind of scary. Like he's stalking me and I'm not giving him any attention.
Next time he call you, just tell him about him mother and then block him.
Look, he's calling me right now. Alright, I'm just gonna answer it just so I can done this.
Alright, my dear.
Mama, you not tell me say you call me back a wagon.
Yeah, I was on the road all day. I just got home.
Alright, now say alright. My son reach out me now. I want to dig out your hole and pit in your mouth. Come make me fuck out your hole, man.
Alright, just let me know when you're home and then I'll come.
That my want hear. That's why you're my favorite bitch. So link you.
I love you.
Me no love woman, me fuck them.
We're done. Thank you.
Wait, Your Honor. I have a countersuit.
We are done.
I have a countersuit.
I know you do. And I just said to you, we are done.
But I have a police report
We
here.
are, I read your counterclaim. We are done.
What about my police report?
We are done. Did you hear
But
what I
this-
said?
yeah.
Miss, take your wife. We're done.
Yo, I be minding my business and shit just be happening. This is why I'm gonna do nothing for people. So this girl know I try well on palm if it balance while she I get dagger. You see me? I say, alright, you're good. Tell me why the girl turn over her whole blood clot cup in my lap. Me I feel look up and I say, this real? This can't real. After me go so bam now and say, take me knee so you not drop down. And then the girl leg over her cup. I say, back. I never that me give you me knee for. And I want a little splash and I want do in my lap to blood clot. Me say, me swear, say I piss up myself to how much liquor. And she a try wipe it up with her hand. Me say, me couldn't move. Me shock. Turn over, you know, man, I watch her I try clean it up. The girl really looked at me and said, Gyalis, you want a drink? But I'm gonna keep the cup. You dirty blood clot. Bad mind.
Eh?
Bad mind.
Oh, you said to me a while ago.
Bad mind.
Hey boy, let me tell you this. You see, everything in this life what I have, I work hard for, nobody never give me. When I'm smaller, I'm poor. So I know how it feel not to have nothing. So you see, everything what I have right now, nobody can tell me so I never earn that. So I will never look for a man and grudge him for when I have, because you don't know when go through to get it. So for you to look for me now, and you don't even know my brother, and for call me bad mind, hey boy, know what you're doing on my rinse, just your granny, and your family, and your papa. Know what you do.
Sir, I did not disrespect you at all.
So what you say?
I was reading your shirt.
Oh, yeah man, from Jamaica, bad though.
F you.
Alright bro, alright, take time man. Yo!
Oh my God!
Relax. Pussy, relax. Relax.